Hello guys. Welcome to our channel. Sometimes you may wonder why your iPhone keeps stuck in recovery mode. Here are lots of reasons. It could be as a result of a failed iOS update, failed jailbreak or incomplete iOS restore, or in some cases, hardware damage caused by dropping your iPhone, getting it wet or overheated. Whichever the reason is, there is a solution to every problem. Apart from using iTunes, you can solve several iOS problems with your iPhone by using some repair tools or software. An excellent recommendation is iPhone Fixpo, a third-party software that you can download on your Mac or Windows computer. If your iPhone stuck in recovery mode, you can use iPhone Fixpo to solve this problem. It's quite easy and free. You just need one click and without losing data. Okay, next, I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck in recovery mode via iPhone Fixpo. Step 1. Launch the Fixpo software and select Enter, Exit Recovery Mode. You can download the Fixpo from iPhone.net, and then connect your phone to the computer. You will find 4 modes in product page, and choose Enter Exit Mode. Step 2. Click on the Exit Recovery Mode button, and your device will come on as it normally should. It is highly efficient. Okay, that's all for today. If this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye. See you in the next video.